Monday, 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 Monday.
Nagkamali ka na ba tapos feeling mo end of the world na? Yung tipong gusto mo na lang lamunin ka ng lupa? O kaya mag-book ng ticket papuntang Pluto? What? Chill the F out. What's up team? Welcome back to Adong Rides. Buhay behero na naman tayo papuntang office. Tingnan mo tong traffic natin. Mas matagal pa mag-move on kesa sa ex mong nagloko. Today, let's talk about something na iniiwasan natin lahat. Mistakes, palpak, error, sablay. We fear about mistakes so much. Pero the truth is, all people make them. Hindi yan virus na dapat iwasan. The real problem isn't a mistake itself. It's how we react to it. If you fear mistakes, you fear learning. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako sa isang typical day in the life ng inyong paboritong rider at BPO leader. Let's ride! Fun fact lang team, I've been in the BPO industry for more than 10 years. Yes mga boss, ganyan na tayo katagal nakikipaglaban sa puyat, stress at libreng kape sa pantry. Nag-start din ako sa baba. Rep din ako dati. At maniwala kayo sa hindi, I was terrified of making mistakes. Yung tipong magkamali lang ako sa call flow or mablangko sa English, pinagpapawisan na ako ng malagkit. Nung nagka-opportunity to step up and be a leader, ayoko. I was afraid of the unknown. Paano kung pumalpak ako? Paano kung mag-lead ako ng failing team? Paano kung imbes na ma-promote yung mga tao ko, ma-demote sila dahil sa akin? Overthinker malala talaga. Si OA. But staying in your comfort zone because you are scared of failing is the biggest mistake you can ever make. Lunch break! Kailangan natin bumili ng bagong brief. Okay. TMI na to.
Chill lang tayo.
Coffee. The life saver. Kape-kape muna. Anyway, speaking of mistakes, let me tell you about a major blunder I did as a leader. Dati, I coach a rep based sa learning style ng ibang tao. Akala ko kasi yung coaching parang brief. Free size or one size fits all. Hindi pala. Yung style na ginamit ko, it was perfect for another agent. Pero para dito sa ni coach ko, it was a disaster. Hindi nag-match sa progress niya. Nakita ko na lang na parang na-frustrate siya. At that moment, I realized people have different progress in life. Not everyone is equal, and everyone has their own unique learning curve. So what did I do? Nagmukmuk ba ako at nag-resign? No. I adjusted. I learned to be flexible. I studied my reps' progress individually and applied the best coaching style for each of them. Let's treat our mistakes not as something that can break us, but something that can mold us into better people.
Uy, baka yung host mo ko, pero...
Tawa siya sa ano
No,
yun.
welcome naman. Hi guys, welcome to my...
Tatag ko asawa mo.
Mati-check pa niya yung digestive system ni CJ.
Making that mistake and correcting it was actually one of the most rewarding experiences as a leader. Why? Because you actually get to really know your people. Walang grave danger na nangyari. walang gumuho na building. It turned out better for the reps because they get to learn at their own pace, sa sarili nilang style. And it was good for me because I learned how to become a better leader. But here is the golden rule. It's okay to make a mistake, team. Pero let's not commit the same mistake twice. Kasi kapag inulit mo, hindi na yan mistake. Choice mo na yun, pre. You learned the lesson, now apply it. As we ride home tonight, gusto ko lang iwan sa inyo to. Life will throw things at you. Sa kalsada, may lubak, may kamote rider, may biglang tatawid. Sa buhay, minsan unfair. Minsan, papalya ka talaga. But you have to navigate through it by taking every moment as a learning moment. Be fair with yourself. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect agad. Learn at your own pace. Drive at your own speed. Kung madapa, pagpag, tayo ulit, tapos arangkada na. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa araw ko today. Kung nakarelate ka o kung may epic mistake ka na natuto ka ng malala, i-comment mo sa baba at pag-usapan natin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Always keep your gears tight and your minds open. This is Adong Rides signing off. Ride safe, everyone.